What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do a part 2 video, kind of give everybody an update on where we're at. So we've been prepping the wheel well over here for paint. There's a lot of CV axle fluid. The struts blue, went all over the inner wheel well. Yeah, we're gonna be doing ball joints, sway bar links, tie rods, inner and outer, as well as a new rack and pinion. And after looking for struts for this thing, I guess we're gonna go with coilovers. So that's where we're at now. We're gonna upgrade the brake calipers and rotors, flushing the transmission fluid. So if you're interested in how to do that, I have a couple videos coming out over the next couple weeks. I'm gonna film it all on this side. As you can see, we've got everything still in there. So yeah, I'll show you guys on the passenger side. I'm using the driver's side to get my method down, show you all the little tips and tricks, but it's a real easy car to work on. I mean, very simple, fun little car. Yeah, right now we're waiting on wheel bearings. Got the knuckle removed over here. I'll be doing a video on pressing that out if you're interested in swapping your wheel bearings out. Got seals and new cert clips and all the fun stuff coming. Yeah, that's where we're at. Hope you guys enjoy the progress.